Bryan Nelson here at Directed. I'm the Technical Service Product Specialist Lead, and today we're going to be putting in this 3121V Powersports security system in this 2015 Harley-Davidson Sportster. This Viper Powersports security system can be installed on any powersports vehicle, but today it's going in this 2015 Harley-Davidson Sportster. Just about all the wiring done on this Harley-Davidson is behind this cover at the BCM. So first we got to pull the seat, pull the cover, and get to the wires. Here's the BCM here. We're going to take out and access the wires on the back side here. This is the Bryan module here. You can see it is very small. We just kind of do a mock-up of how the wires are going to go, where they're going to be run. We can test our wires and wire it up, make it look pretty. Most bikes and side-by-sides, they have all the information online for free. This one's from Harley-Davidson's website, and I'll cross-reference that to our install guide. You're going to want to read your install manual to see what wires you're going to be using. On this one, we don't have saddlebags, so we're not going to use any instant triggers, but we are going to use the closed loop sensor for the helmet. For the pre-wire, cut off the wires you don't need and cover the rest in Tessa tape for a sleek factory look. Make sure you don't cut the black-white wire, that's the antenna. Run your wiring along the existing wiring to keep it looking clean. Make sure to solder all of your connections to keep them protected from the elements and vibration. As you can see, the siren and the Bryan are very small, which really helps out with tight installations like this Harley. You can see underneath the seat here is the siren, and the Bryan is actually mounted underneath the PCM out of view. Let's do some functionality tests. All right, here's the basic functionality of the 3121. You have disarm and arm. And it takes about 5 seconds for the alarm to actually arm, and the LED will go on slow. It's flashing right now fast, now it's gone slow. We can test the shock and the tilt. And it works. All right, here's how the closed loop sensor works. When it's armed, if at any point this gets disconnected, like somebody's going to take the helmet, there you go, the alarm goes off.